Imagine you are a content creator, you finally get an amazing idea for a video. AI instantly gives you 2500 word script. It feels perfect. What went wrong? The title wasn't interesting, the hook failed in the first 10 seconds, the story had no emotional progression, research wasn't convincing, complex concepts weren't simplified, the audience clicked away. The biggest problem wasn't the editing, it wasn't the camera, it wasn't even the scripts. The problem started before recording. Today's AI tools are excellent at generating content, but they don't tell creator whether the idea itself is strong enough. They generate, they don't review. So we asked a different question. What if AI could think like experienced creative team before production even begins? Let's see how creator would actually use Creative Mind. This is the Creative Mind dashboard where creators can manage all their projects, track their progress, and quickly continue working on any idea. Now let's create a new project. Let's say I want to create a documentary on the impact of quantum computing on artificial intelligence. Normally, most creators would jump straight into generating scripts. Creative Mind refused to do that. Instead, it first challenged the idea from multiple creative perspectives. Our creative director evaluates whether the story is emotionally engaging and compelling enough to capture attention. The audience strategies predict viewer behavior and identifies opportunities to improve audience retention. The marketing experts refine the title, positioning, and curiosity gap to maximize click-through potential. Our risk and ethics critics review the concept for factual balance, credibility, and responsible storytelling. Finally, the innovation mentor ensures the documentary brings a fresh perspective instead of repeating what already exists. If I disagree with any recommendation, I don't need to regenerate everything. I simply return the specific experts until I am satisfied. Once every perspective is approved, Creative Mind combines them into a unified creative strategy. Great storytelling begins with research, not writing. Most creators spend hours switching between Google search, articles, videos, and research papers. Creative Mind transforms scattered information into organized storytelling assets. It identifies surprising facts that immediately capture curiosity. It uncovers common misconceptions that create engaging narrative twists. It generates simple analogies to explain complex concepts. It highlights debates and multiple viewpoints to make the story balanced and credible. And finally, it provides reliable primary sources that creator can confidently reference. Now, before writing even begins, the creator already has a complete creative foundation. Only now does Creative Mind begin generating the production blueprints. Instead of producing disconnected paragraphs, it's created a structured narration designed around storytelling and audience engagement. The project is then analyzed through our creative readiness engine, measuring factors such as originality, clarity, audience fit, and storytelling strength. One of our favorite features is the pre-production flop prevention engine. Remember the creator who spent 30 hours making a video that failed? This engine identifies those creative weaknesses before the camera is even switched on. With a single AI-assisted improvements, creators can strengthen their weak hooks, improve storytelling flow, and increase overall production readiness. Instead of learning from failed uploads, creators improve before publishing. Finally, everything from strategy and research to the complete production blueprint is compiled into a professional IBM Creative dossier. This isn't just another PDF, it's a complete production document that creators and teams can use throughout the entire filmmaking process. We believe artificial intelligence shouldn't replace creators. It should empower them to make better creative decisions. Creative Mind transforms uncertainty into production-ready confidence because the best time to fix a bad video is before you ever press record. And thank you.